Ever wondered which used Audi cars might turn out to be a financial headache? You're not alone! Today, we're diving into the top 10 most unreliable used Audi models. From expensive repairs to common issues, we'll reveal which Audis could cost you more than they're worth. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. Audi R8. The Audi R8 is often hailed as a flagship supercar, but its first-generation models come with significant reliability issues. One major problem is the air compressor pump. It's located deep under the mid-mounted V8 or V10 engine, which causes it to overheat due to lack of airflow. Replacing this pump is costly, not just for the part, but also because it requires removing the rear end of the car and the engine. The repair costs can be sky-high, making the R8 a risky buy if you're considering a used one. Number 9. Audi RS6. The original Audi RS6 was a groundbreaking model, but it's not without its flaws. After 2 decades, many of these cars have hefty repair needs. Common issues include failing torque converters that can cost around $5,000 to replace and worn-out brakes that may set you back $1,500 each. These problems arise from the car's high power and heavy use, so if you're eyeing an RS6, be prepared for significant maintenance costs. Number 8. Audi Allroad. The Audi Allroad is another model that falls short in terms of reliability. Known for its problematic air suspension, electronics, and gearboxes, the Allroad can become a financial burden. The air suspension, in particular, is notorious for issues with struts, lines, and compressors. If you're considering buying an Allroad, be ready for frequent repairs and high maintenance bills. Number 7. Audi Q7 V12. The V12 Q7 is an engineering marvel, but comes with its own set of problems. The high cost of maintenance and repairs on this SUV is a major concern. The V12 engine's power comes with a price. Tires, bushes, and bearings wear out quickly. If you're thinking about purchasing this rare model, be prepared for exorbitant repair costs and high upkeep. Number 6. Audi Q5. Despite its mundane appearance, the Audi Q5 can be surprisingly costly to maintain. Annual running costs for the Q5 can approach $1,000. Common issues include problems with the EGR system, turbochargers, and fuel injectors. These issues can be expensive to diagnose and fix, so consider this before buying a used Q5. Number 5. Audi RS4 B7. The B7 Audi RS4 is celebrated for its performance, but it's not without reliability concerns. The 4.2-liter V8 engine can suffer from excessive wear and carbon buildup if not properly maintained. Regular servicing is essential to avoid rough running and power loss. If you're considering an RS4, be sure to maintain it carefully to enjoy its performance for years to come. Number 4. Audi A8. The Audi A8 is known for its luxury, but some models, especially the 3rd generation, come with serious reliability problems. Issues include timing chain rattles, electronic handbrake failures, and power steering troubles. These problems, combined with the car's high maintenance costs, make the A8 a less reliable option for used car buyers. Number 3. Audi TT V6. The MK1. Audi TT V6 is a stylish choice, but it has some common issues. The DSG gearbox requires frequent servicing, and failing coil packs are a common problem. While the coil packs are relatively cheap to replace, neglecting the gearbox can lead to expensive repairs. Make sure you check the service history before buying a TT V6. Number 2. Audi A1 TDI. The Audi A1 TDI, though a premium alternative to other small cars, can be problematic. The diesel particulate filter, DPF, in the 1.6 and 2.0-liter models can get clogged if the car isn't used for long trips regularly. This can lead to costly repairs and maintenance issues. Ensure you use the car properly to avoid expensive bills. Number 1. Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron Quattro, despite being a newer model, already shows reliability concerns. Issues include faulty reverse cameras, failing electric handbrakes, and problematic battery performance. These early issues could mean significant repair costs. If you're interested in an electric Audi, It might be wise to wait until these problems are resolved. There you have it, our rundown of the top 10 most unreliable used Audi cars. While these models have their charm, they can also come with significant upkeep costs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever wondered if all Mercedes-Benz cars are as reliable as their reputation suggests? While many models are top tier, some have fallen short, plagued by issues and recalls. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 most unreliable Mercedes-Benz cars that you should steer clear of. Let's dive in. Number 10. 1997-2004 Mercedes-Benz A-Class W168. The first-generation A-Class is infamous for its unattractive design and critical safety failings, notably flipping over during the Moose test. Despite a massive recall and rebuild effort, the A-Class remained plagued by issues. Its transversely mounted engine was easily damaged and hard to access, and the CVT automatic transmission had a disappointingly short lifespan, cementing its reputation as an unreliable model. Number 9. 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The 2015 C-Class, the first of the W205 generation, quickly gained a reputation for poor reliability. Owners faced numerous issues with the powertrain and electrical systems, resulting in 13 recalls. Maintenance costs were unexpectedly high, and problems with the fuel propulsion system were significant. A recall for loss of steering function, involving 10,509 vehicles, highlighted the severe reliability concerns with this compact luxury sedan. Number 8. 1996-2002 Mercedes-Benz E-Class W210. Following the highly praised W124, the W210 E-Class was a disappointment in terms of reliability. Its fundamental components were prone to rusting, with the water-based paint and suspension spring perches being particularly susceptible to water damage. Additionally, the W210 E-Class suffered from severe electrical issues, faulty valve cover gaskets, and frequent suspension failures. These issues undermined the model's overall quality and tarnished the reputation of the E-Class during these years. Number 7. 2003-2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. The W211 E-Class, especially pre-facelift models from 2003 to 2006, was plagued by significant issues. The Sensotronic brake control system was prone to failure, and the airmatic suspension was unreliable. Even post-facelift, the fuel system and powertrain issues persisted, making the W211 a problematic choice. Only the 2009 model year is generally considered safe for buyers. Number 6. 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2014 E-Class, part of the W212 generation, proved problematic despite its predecessor's generally reliable reputation. This model year experienced 9 recalls for various issues, including oil leaks onto the engine and rubber seals coming into contact with the exhaust system, both of which posed fire hazards. Airbag malfunctions and numerous powertrain and electrical issues also plagued this model, making it one to avoid despite the facelift's aesthetic improvements. Number 5. 2002 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The 2002 M-Class, particularly the ML320, faced numerous reliability problems. Major issues included power steering malfunctions and faulty cruise control systems, both leading to recalls. Additionally, frequent ABS failures, easily broken door locks, and various electrical component problems made this model a nightmare for owners, highlighting its significant maintenance and safety concerns. Number 4. 2006 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The 2006 M-Class, debuting the SUV's second generation, continued to disappoint in terms of reliability. Engine failure was a common issue, often caused by a faulty camshaft adjuster solenoid in gasoline models or a crankshaft sensor failure in diesel models. Only the diesel models were recalled, leaving gasoline versions vulnerable to serious engine problems. Another critical concern was the brake booster housing unit's susceptibility to corrosion, leading to potential brake system failures and increasing the risk of accidents. Number 3. 2007-2008 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. The early years of the GL Class, particularly 2007 and 2008, were riddled with reliability issues. The 2007 model received 119 complaints reported to the NHTSA, while the 2008 model had over 80. Both model years were equipped with adaptive air suspension and brake boosters prone to failure. Engine problems and faulty blind spot monitoring systems were also common, making these years of the GL Class a significant risk for prospective buyers. Number 2. 2003-2005 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. The 2003-2005 SL Class models of the R230 generation are notorious for rust issues, particularly the early models before Mercedes began galvanizing the body panels. These cars also suffered from frequent active body control, ABC, suspension failures, and sensotronic brake malfunctions. Transmission problems further marred the reliability of these models, making them a poor choice despite their otherwise luxurious appeal and advanced features. Number 1. 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. The 2007 S550, the inaugural model of the W221 generation, is notorious for its unreliable performance. A critical flaw in the M273 gear attached to the timing chain led to severe engine damage or total failure. Repairing this required dismantling the entire engine, making it a costly fix. Additionally, the 2007 S550 faced transmission and active body control system issues, making it a model to avoid. And there you have it, the top 10 most unreliable Mercedes-Benz cars. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cars. Thanks for watching.